So today we are showing the masonry students how we burn and create traditional lime putty to create lime mortar. So this is what just about every building in Tidewater, Virginia would have been made with before the advent of modern mortar. In Tidewater, Virginia, we have no limestone. What we do have is oyster shells. What we have to show folks today is Nick here has brought these shells that we have already burned. So they are ready to be created into lime putty. This is a burnt shell right here, and we have to show the difference between modern brick and a traditional handmade brick.
I would like to get into it more too, because I told the kids this is just another whole part of masonry. This is the early years of masonry versus what we do now. So if you learn both of them, man, you have an awesome trade.
Whether you are somebody who's looking to be a modern mason with knowledge about how it was done traditionally, knowledge of traditional mortar can absolutely be translated into the modern trades. And then if you're looking to specialize to be solely a historic preservationist, it is a field that is in dire need of new people entry into the trades, and it needs to happen now because our individuals who have the institutional knowledge are phasing out.
And I tell my kids, hey, your hard work pays off. They're short of masons. We need masons because they can't replace us with machines.